log in using our username and password. Once we log into our session, we will have the option of new budget, consult existing budgets, or log out, as well as a language selector. We access new budget. Once on this screen, we can configure the catalog, the reference, and the delivery address. And we proceed to update the changes. Once on this screen, we will have the option to save the project, cancel, or enter a new model. We select the model and it becomes shaded in gray. Once it's shaded in gray, we click Add. Once on this screen, we will select the model's features, being able to choose the frame color, the decorative color, and the door color. It is important that the color of the door and the decorative are always the same, because if we want to indicate another color for the sides, we must add a second model. By default, both the hinge and drawer are pre-selected in graphite color. If we want to change the color, we must use the drop-downs. We can also select a handle, some type of profile, or select the aluminum display case, including the glass finish. Thank you for watching the video. Once we have our model configured, we update the changes. If we want to change our reference, we will click on the new budget and gain access to the main screen. Clicking on the model will give us the option for a new line. It is on this screen where we will have access to all the furniture families. Since we have pre-selected that our kitchen includes a handle, we will choose high cabinets. Once inside each category, we will have all the available options. And once we reach the end of the tree, the item is marked in gray, we must select the search option. And this is where all the folding items appear, marked by the height. Once we have selected our item, all the available width will appear. From this screen, we can select the hand, if applicable, the quantity and dimensions, as well as add any of the pre-configured variants that this furniture might have. In this case, we will choose the type on option. And then we update the changes. If we want to add a new line, we need to click on the model again. In this case, we are going to show you how to add one of the optional accessories from the catalog. We select the base of 80. We select the hand, and in the variants, we will find all the accessories. If the accessory does not have the selected size, the system will inform us. We modify the measure that fits and the error will disappear. Now let's see how we would make a low angular corner. We must indicate the opening hand, and we can modify both the height, right side, left side, back right, or back left. And again, we update changes. Another atypical piece of furniture will be the columns. Since in the model configuration header we have chosen aluminum display case, we will select aluminum display case to see how the substitutions work. As with the rest of the modulation, we can change width, depth and height. Additionally, we will have the option to change the upper or lower part, or the upper and lower door if we want to continue with the kitchen line. Within the options, we can choose if we want a full door or if we also want the structure to be in one piece, eliminating the upper and lower parts of the form. If we forget to indicate the direction, the system will notify us. In addition to being able to search using the tree, we also have a searcher by article and description. For example, if we search for a bassinet with 2 drawers, when we enter 2 drawers, all items with the description 2 drawers will appear. In the case of the sides, we have several types. One side that will automatically add the thickness of the model's background, and another where we can choose exact measurements. When selecting the shelves, we will have several options, both linear meter and full strip. Within the complete strip, we will have the option of an aluminum baseboard or a model baseboard. It's important that we save periodically, as we use recurring licenses that end the session every 10 minutes. Once saved, we will look in budget and our version will appear. Within actions, we will have different options. To obtain the evaluation, we request a valuation. The process will take a few minutes while it calls our database. After 1 minute, we will have our evaluation. Thank you for watching the video. Now, among the options, we will have some more options, including downloading a PDF without valuation, or in Excel. Once downloaded, we will have our PDF with all the variations included in the kitchen. If we wanted to present a second budget option, we would click on Actions and copy. Once we have the 2 versions, we would go to Edit. In the second option, we would click on the model. We would go to Replace the model. We choose the model we want to change to, no? And we replace the model. We will have to select the model's features again, both the frame color and decorative elements, as well as the door. And the main characteristics appear, configured exactly as we have them in another model. We update the changes and save. We would already have both versions. We would simply need to take the second version and request the evaluation. After 1 minute, we update and we would already have the second assessment, which we can download as a PDF. Once our order is clear, by clicking on Actions, we can send the order directly to the factory. Once reviewed by our technicians, the order will appear as accepted by the factory, allowing us to expand and obtain an estimated delivery date in addition to getting our order number. And from this moment, every time we update, it will go through the different order situations.